You know the feeling, right? It's late, you're scrolling, and there it is, the perfect thing. A couple of taps, you hit that buy now button, and just like that, it's on its way. It feels almost like magic. But what's really going on behind that one simple click is this huge, incredibly complex, and honestly fascinating system.
So what did you actually just do? What chain reaction did you just set off the second you confirmed that purchase? I can tell you, it's a whole lot more than just a notification pinging in some warehouse. Today, we're going to pull back that curtain and show you the entire intricate world that lives just behind your screen.
All right, so let's start at the beginning. We all throw around the term e-commerce, but what does it really mean? You're about to see that it's so much bigger than just filling up a digital shopping cart.
Okay, so here's the official definition. But check out the key words here. It's not just about goods. E-commerce is you ordering your dinner, booking a hotel, streaming a show. Heck, it's even the invisible transfer of data between banks. It really is the engine that powers our entire digital world.
And this right here is exactly why it's completely taken over. Just think about it for a second. Old school, traditional commerce, it's slow. E-commerce is practically instant. Traditional stores are stuck in one place. E-commerce is global. A tiny shop in the middle of nowhere can sell to the whole world. And of course, without the need for a physical store, the costs can be way, way lower.
So how on earth did we get here? Online shopping feels so modern, so now. But its origins, they actually go back a lot further than you'd probably guess.
Believe it or not, this whole idea started way back in the 1960s, with big companies figuring out how to exchange data electronically. But the real big bang was the internet going public in the 90s. That lit the fuse and led directly to a huge moment in 1994, the very first secure online purchase by a regular person.
And what was that groundbreaking, historic first item? Not a fancy computer, not a book. No, it was a large pizza from Pizza Hut, which is, a pretty great piece of trivia, but it was also the moment the game changed forever. This was proof that buying things online could be a safe, real thing for everybody.
Okay, now we're getting to the heart of it. Let's trace the exact journey your order takes, from the moment your finger hits that button all the way to your front door, and actually a little bit beyond that too.
See, this whole thing isn't just chaos. It follows a very precise 6-step path. It's called the e-commerce trade cycle. Think of it as a perfectly choreographed dance that makes sure every single order is smooth, secure, and gets to where it's going. So let's walk through that dance. Step 1 is pre-sales. That's you browsing, doing your research, comparing reviews. Step 2 is order placement. That's the big click. Then instantly, Step 3, payment. Secure systems check your funds in the blink of an eye. Next comes the physical part, order fulfillment. Somebody in a warehouse finds your item, puts it in a box, and ships it. But wait, we're not done. Step 5 is after sales, which covers customer support or any returns. And then finally, the invisible last step, settlement. That's when all the money actually, officially moves between the banks. Every single order you've ever made has followed this exact path.
So everything we've talked about so far has been about us, the stuff we buy. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real giant, the true heavyweight in the e-commerce world operates almost completely out of sight. I want you to think about all the online shopping in the world. Everything you've ever bought, everything you see advertised, all of that is just the tiny tip of the iceberg. The huge, massive part hidden under the water, that's business-to-business e-commerce, or B2B. It makes up more than 80% of all online transactions. It's the unseen engine that keeps our global economy running.
So how does this gigantic B2B world run so smoothly? The secret is a technology called EDI, which stands for Electronic Data Interchange. Honestly, the best way to think about it is as a universal language for computers. It lets a car factory's computer talk directly to a tire supplier's computer to order parts, send invoices, and arrange the shipping. All of it happening automatically with zero humans involved.
And this whole system works because of simple, standardized codes. It's like a secret shorthand that all the computers have agreed to use. So, one system sends the code orders, and the other one instantly knows, got it, that's a new purchase order. Then it gets a message that says DES-DAV, and it knows, okay, the shipment is on its way. Invoice? That's the bill. It's this shared automated language that lets millions of these B2B transactions happen flawlessly every single day. Okay, so we've seen where e-commerce came from and how it works today. But where is this all going? Because the speed of innovation right now is just mind-boggling, and the future of how we buy things is literally being invented as we speak.
So get ready.
We're talking about a future with drone deliveries that are almost instant. We're talking about AI that might know what you want to buy before you do, creating a shopping experience that is totally unique to you. You're going to see Buy Now buttons pop up right inside your search results, and your social media feeds are going to become the new shopping malls. The line between just browsing and actually buying is about to get very, very blurry.
And all of this leads to one final, pretty wild question. As this technology gets smarter and smarter at predicting what we need, will that Buy Now button that started this whole revolution eventually just disappear? Will our smart homes just automatically reorder things for us? That's definitely something to think about the next time you're online.